No eating the shoes. Come here. Hop up. Come here.
Now they are not babies anymore. Michael wants to have this other baby to eat the shoes, the broom, the towel, everything, the plastic. My lord,
This someone to adopt the new one. Her name is Olivia. She's so docile. Her paws are big though. She's gonna be a big one, and she was abandoned on the streets. And she has to be fixed because she can't have puppies, right? But she's so beautiful, and they're all getting along with her. And she doesn't have a penis, and that's a good thing. Because we don't want any more dogs in this house with a penis, right?
Not even without.
And my birthday is on Saturday, so can someone please adopt her and give her a good home? Go. Go play. Get along with your temporary brothers.
This never worked in this house. This house,
is it with dogs and
we
animals?
don't know anything about temporary. This word is not in our dictionary.
Hush.
Yeah.
Hush, puppy.
Yeah. And then he gonna complain, that's my fault, I saw, but I fed her, I gave her water, I gave her a bath,
Bandito
blah blah blah.
guarding her.
She's a baby, I told you, they protect babies.
Helen, come and take a puppy. Hi. Hi. Hi, Olivia. Okay. You can have it. Oh, good. Make noise. Make noise. Bark. Hi. Oh my gosh, you're so beautiful. Hi. Being good. Okay, your tail's wagging. Oh my God. I think I died and went to heaven.